show me arriving. How you doing, sir?
A little shaken up right now.
Understood.
If you go, you can see the case from back here. It's all the way straight to the back.
Close to that sign?
Yeah, see the little black
Straight ahead in front of me? Okay.
Straight,
It's
yeah.
a suitcase?
It's a suitcase. I've been walking past it for about a week now because I take my dog. I stay right here. I take my dog. I usually walk her through there and then come around here.
Okay.
And for the last week, she's been stopped. It was like a mound of dirt. She's been stopped and sniffing like a little too long.
Okay.
And today I was like, well, I'm going to take it. I hope it's not what I'm...
Right.
And it was halfway buried. It's about this thick. It's about halfway buried. I pulled it up, unzipped it. I couldn't really see. And I opened it up and fucking hid.
Buried under the dirt it was?
Yeah, halfway.
Okay.
You can see a little part of it sticking out.
And you said you noticed it for about a week already?
Yeah, it's been sitting over there. It's like somebody buried it or tried to bury it. And like I said, I walked my dog over there and she keeps stopping and she sniff a little too long.
Right.
You know, she sniffs stuff. And I'm like, I don't know what that is.
Right.
I'm not
Absolutely.
going to fuck with it. And today I was just like, let me see what the fuck that really is.
Okay.
So it's back there.
All right,
I pulled it up so it's kind of standing up and it fucking stinks like hell.
Okay. You're right here at 670?
Yeah.
What was your name, sir?
Philip.
Philip? Okay. I will check it out. I'll be with you. Thank you.
Thank you. Sure, keep staying through, rather. Easy sleeping. Radio. Go ahead. Yeah, the air, please. I got you.
Hey, are you still inside the district? Okay. I was going to have you grab my flashlight, but that's all right. When you get up here, if you go down 162, like I went up Saranac, 162, you can just pull in this parking lot for this Ginn Academy. And you'll see me back here. So I haven't opened it yet. The dude I talked to, the caller, he said that there was this suitcase partially like buried in the ground that he said he's been noticing for like a week, and his dog keeps trying to get to it. So he said that he pulled it out today and to see what was in there because it was kind of heavy, and he noticed like a head and hurry, he just left it and called the police. So I'll just wait till you guys get here before I open it. All right. Yeah, just come down towards like Midland, and I mean, as soon as you get to like the last drive for the school, you'll just pull in there. I'm in the back. All right. Bye.
14 to radio.
Go ahead.
Hey, Gil, are you still at the district by chance? Can you do me a favor, please?
Can you look
Would you? I left my flashlight in the sergeant's office. Are you able to run it up to me? I'm on this call on 162. Yeah, so if you go in there, right in front of, like on the side of the refrigerator, you'll see a flashlight. And then I'm on that call on 162nd and Midland.
31?
Appreciate it. Thanks, Gil.
Radio. Can you show me at 5? I'm working on 3 reports and Mark taking entering property.
I copy. Yeah, we'll 3-4 radio. Stand by. Go ahead. Can you put me over Samsung 3 on this call? I copy 1834. Radio to Barney 14. His listed address is going to be in Euclid. They did have a possible callback. It's from last September. It's 216-463-2233.
Can you repeat that, the last 4 digits of that phone number?
Yep, last 4 is going to be 2233.
Copy that.
I ain't opened it yet. I left my flashlight. Oh, you got a flashlight. We're going to have to look and see. I mean, it's like partially buried. He said it was sticking out for like a week. he finally decided to open it up. I just want to see. You flash your light on. I just want to see if there's any blood or anything on it. No? Yeah. You on?
Yeah, I forgot. Oh.
You bring it closer. I can't see.
You got the foot?
Yeah, no.
Oh yeah, it is. It looked like a kid.
Yeah. I can't. It's attached. It's just like full in the fetal position. No, frozen.